Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesians of Mozambique had the joy of welcoming two young people who made the definitive commitment to follow Jesus in the footsteps of Don Bosco. These are Custódio Menara and Valentino Quesaro, who on 11 August made their perpetual profession before Father Adolfo de Jesus Sarmento, Superior of the Mozambique Vice Province. The celebration was held at the parish of Nossa Senhora, the Immaculate Conceição do Zumbi in Tete, and was attended by many faithful and family members of the two young people. On 15 August, the Don Bosco Technical School in Gabutu, Port Moresby, staged a musical based on Don Bosco's dream at 9 years of age, bringing together the entire school community, representatives of different religious congregations, Salesians, students and members of the Salesian family. The show highlighted the parallels between the time of Don Bosco and the present day, underlining a shared vision and mission to feed a heart that transforms wolves into lambs. Each student brought their unique talents to the stage, helping to create a vibrant and dynamic ensemble that vividly represented the life and dreams of Don Bosco. Belgian athlete Isaac Kimeli has competed in two Olympic finals in Paris, the 5,000 and 10,000 meters. In the first, he ranked 8th in 13, 19, and 10. Isaac arrived in Belgium at the age of 15 and was welcomed by the Salesians in Halle near Brussels. In an interview with Don Bosco magazine, he reviewed his career and his time at the Salesian school. When asked, "What would you like to say to Don Bosco?" he said, "Thanks to Don Bosco, I got to school and this is where I made my first friends. Actually, the friends of then are the same as today, and even the teachers of Don Bosco in Halle are still my friends. It is in the Salesian school that my career began. My past has made me who I am today." On 19 August, the Department of Communication and Journalism at the Salesian College in Siliguri celebrated its 10th anniversary. Since the date coincided with World Photography Day, photographic workshops and short film competitions, stop-motion videos and photographic stories were also organized. The event, which lasted a total of 5 hours, began with a song made specifically for the 10th anniversary entitled "We Shall Arise." The piece was composed and performed by Assistant Professor Simon Suba and his team of 5th semester students. The department, which started with 6 students joining the undergraduate program in mass communication and journalism in 2014, today has some 90 students in the 3-year program and another 80 students in the first batch of 4-year dual major program. The Salesian Mary Help of Christians Vice Province of Zambia, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Namibia and Botswana (ZMB) has organized in recent days a conference for continuous professional updating on the Don Bosco preventive system held in Lilongwe entitled "Salesian Pedagogy for the 21st Century, Creating Safe Spaces and Improving the Well-Being of Young People." During the conference, the Vice Province also officially launched its strategic plan for the 2024 to 2029 period. Father Bandama Michael Kazembe, ZMB Superior, also participated in the event, highlighting how Don Bosco passed on his knowledge through his preventive system, which still stands as a milestone in the field of pedagogy. He therefore urged the educators gathered to renew the Salesian schools to understand them as sanctuaries for the young people of the 21st century. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.